Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Malibu LT. Stock number Z9334A. Only 27,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Malibu brand new, Ashen Gray Metallic in color. You receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out with a removable cargo net. Perfect for keeping smaller items secure. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Again, only 27,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen MyLink infotainment system, 4 radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio. Dual zone temperature control with heated front seats. Automatic transmission, manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's auto dimming mirror and HomeLink transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Malibu has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 196 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 36 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Malibu, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.